We got the little shower head that we just hang here, just like that. So this is how we take a hot shower. I got the Camplux gas. It's all hooked up to the little propane can. I got 2 7-gallon jugs. Here's the water pump. Water goes in from here, out through here, down, up, heats up in here, and then we shower inside of there. Shower head that we hang right there. Little table for our soaps, little mat. Power source that goes up into the battery source. That's the views for the shower. And this thing pumps really hot water. We've tried to use the little USB pumps that have a shower head that are hooked to the little motor, and you stick it into the water jug. And we boiled some water, but it just didn't work. We set these out in the sun all day, and that didn't work to heat up the water. So it was giving us really cold showers. I went ahead, pulled the trigger, and got this thing. It gives you a nice hot shower when you're out here. I'm about to take a hot shower now. It's been probably a week. There's been a lot of humidity here, so I've been sweating and stinking, and it's time for a shower. And also we were waiting for a better day to shower because it's been raining. Yeah, let me show you how this works. I'm gonna take this out of here, and you can put this into a lake or a water source. So all we have is jugs, and yeah, wherever you can find tap water, we'll fill these up. So here's that goes in there, just like so. All you gotta do is flip the switch. This takes 2D batteries, and that's what ignites the gas. When the water pumps through, it flips a switch in there that ignites the gas so that you can adjust the heat, the temperature. It gets really hot, so we keep it on minimum, and the water to about here. And there's the hot water. Okay, so I just needed to prime the water a little bit, and now, yeah, that's a nice warm shower. So I'm gonna get naked and clean off. The setup is kind of janky, but it works. Don't have to go to a truck stop and pay $18 for a shower. We just have to find water. I have a source for power. With the solar panels and my battery, we got free power. You just need a propane tank to keep the water warm. And that's how we shower. All right, I'm gonna go get clean now.